Resident Evil 0. Now, oh frick, hold on. Oh, there it is. Sorry, I lost my PS3 controller. Now guys, this game, I had just gotten today. I pre-ordered it about a month ago, and I have not just started it. I literally just, well, I did just start it, but I only got past one part, and it wasn't really that important. But this is the re-imaged version, and you missed all the zombies. I don't know if y'all can hear this or anything, but, you know, hold on. Okay guys, so I decided to do something. I decided to get my headphones. I don't know if y'all can hear it, but I got my Turtle Beaches, and I connected them to my TV, so now listen. So there, you should be able to hear it better. Put. Now guys, don't worry, I am soon probably going to be getting a screen recorder for my PS3 and Xbox. Wait, where am I going? I have no idea what I'm doing. I hate the loading screens when you're going somewhere. It sucks. But I guess it is pretty cool. Now some of it you do have to read, but what's here? It's of no use right now. So guys, the parts that y'all have, that you have to read, I will read to you.
This is Rebecca. Over. Enrico! Hello! Can you read me? Please respond.
Rebecca, I can hear you. Now listen up. We've obtained detailed information. A document found in the wrecked wagon. Billy Cohen killed as many as 23 people.
23 people.
We have also confirmed that he was institutionalized. So keep your guard up. Can you hear me, Rebecca? Over. Stay alert, Rebecca. He wouldn't think twice before killing you.
Enrico! Captain! Hello? Hello!
Okay, so what I feel like is this is the girl from Resident Evil Revelations 2, and I think we're gonna find out her incident on here. It's locked. Let's see what it is. It's right here. You used the train key. Throw it away. No. Just in case. I don't know what I'm doing with my voice. But guys, I've only been playing this for about 5 minutes. And this video is going to be pretty dang long, probably. And this is just note the full version. Oh no, it's the bad guy again.
Why don't we cooperate?
Cooperate?
He's a bad guy, he's a fugitive. He's a dick.
You expect me to trust you, a wanted felon? I don't need your help. I can handle this on my own. And don't call me little girl.
All right, listen to it yourself. What should I call you?
The name is Rebecca Chambers, but that's Officer Chambers to you.
Well then, Rebecca, why don't you go and try while I wait here?
Okay. Ooh, what's a note? Ooh, it's a note. When closing the diner, supervisors are asked to switch off the automatic doors after ensuring all staff have vacated the car. Sorry, my reading's bad. Blah. The main automatic door power switch is located on the roof of the 5th car. Inspectors will take place when the train is garaged. After inspectors complete the use of the ladder at the rear of the second floor dining car. Umbrella Corp maintenance department. Oh, it does involve Umbrella Corp. I know Umbrella Corp. If any of you have seen the movies, you know who that is. So, for those of you who don't know, Umbrella Corp is the people who started all this, pretty much. They're a company. Yes, I'll take that handgun ammo. Ooh, what's a fire? Why is there a fire? Ooh, is it nice and toasty? Uh-oh. No, uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. Get my gun ready. No, it may not be funny to you, but it is kind of funny to me, but not too funny. Y'all missed the hellhounds, though, sorry.
Sir.
Ew. 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 Ow. Ah, you're weird. Ew. He's the bad guy. He a badass. Dang, he's good. Note though, this game is very highly rated. Lots of gore, lots of cuss words, but lots of fun. Oh no. No. So guys, I'm gonna tell y'all a secret. My worst nightmare is little girls or a woman singing out of nowhere in the darkness, like you're in a tunnel. It's a woman. It's the slug woman. Okay.
Well, I don't...
Clue in, girl. Or maybe you like me more, babe.
All right. You just remember, I will shoot you if you try anything funny.
Fine. Now take these with you.
Yay, more ammo, although I have a crap ton.
Find anything, give me a call. Alright?
Nod. So yeah, one of my worst fears. Okay, player manual 2. Character switching you can switch control between two lead characters, Rebecca and Billy. Billy, use their different abilities to progress through the game. The character you're currently controlling is called the main character. The character you do not control is the partner character. I feel like somebody might die in this. Controlling the partner character. The partner character generally moves independently, but you can use R to control them yourself. Selecting the partner status screen allows you to assign instructions to the character. Solo, both characters move independently. Team, partner follows the main character. Attack, the partner attacks automatically. Idle, partner will not attack. You can also press select to switch between solo and team behavior. Press triangle at the status screen to switch between characters. You will need to switch characters in order to progress in certain situations. Exchanging items. When your character nearby is near you, you can exchange items on the status screen. Choose the front item in the exchange and select exchange. Rebecca and the following instructions. Combine herb-related items, weak defense, can can use mixing set to combine chemicals. Billy cannot combine herb-related items. Strong defense, can push large objects. Both the main and partner character will die if they take too much damage. You should always keep an eye on their condition. The partner will begin a partner being attacked in a different room will call for help over the radio. The partner does call to go to help as quickly as possible. Some puzzles are how dang it, it's puzzles. Sorry I had to read that. But don't worry, I have a crap ton of time. Holy crap, I wonder if y'all can hear me through this. Oh, hey, follow me. Come with me. Now going down the stairs. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna get up on my bed. Okay, let's do this. Wait, what's over here? Staff only. It looks like an automatic door. There's no power now, so it won't open. Dang it! I will shoot you. I will shoot you if you get in my way. Uh-oh. Okay. Just to be safe. Shoot a ghost. Just to be safe. See what's up here. I haven't been up here yet. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Up the stairs. Yay. And I'm done. What's that noise? Ew. They look like some kind of eggs. A puddle of slime formed around them. Ew. You, I don't want to be up here anymore. Oh, there's bubbles. I guess somebody did their laundry too long. Wait a minute. There's no one you can see. It's no use over on now. Dang. Whoa. My iPad just went off. Hold on, guys. Okay, guys. Sorry about that. My parents called me and they were just looking for a mouse. Their mouse. Not an actual mouse. Their mouse to their computer. Double shot. And my dog Guinness licked me in my face. And if most of you all do not know, I have 2 dogs. I think they are a Weimaraner mix, I think. Okay, let's see. Go over here. Go over here. Let me see. Uh-oh. That door. Let me swap characters. How do I get through there? It's like it can't be open. The door reads conductor's office. Wait a minute. Oh my god, it's bleeding. The train is out of control. It's too dangerous to go outside. When will I get to go outside? Oh god, what did I press? Oh god. Let's see. Ooh, I have a knife. Equip. I want to stab something. Stab, stab, stab. Stab, stab, stab. If any of you play Team Fortress 2, you know what that's from. If any of y'all remember my Team Fortress 2 video, that part is not on there. The train is moving too fast. It's dangerous to go on. I think Slug Lady's controlling it. And just note if I see a zombie again, I'm gonna stab, stab, stab it.